Troy Family Dental is the place to be if you want to catch up on your dental checkups or if you need more work done like dental implants. If you're visiting the dentist, it might make you break out in a sweat if you're like 50% of the American population. But don't worry, they have a solution for you. It's sedation dentistry. This segment has been sponsored by Troy Family Dental. And joining me now are doctors Richard Boatman and doctors Jordan Spencer. We're talking about sedation dentistry as well as small or those mini dental implants. Gentlemen, thanks for being here with us today. Of course. I mean, what is sedation dentistry?
Well, sedation dentistry is when you come to the office and we put an IV in and put you to sleep so you don't have to worry about remembering or feeling anything. It's awesome.
Which is nice, especially if you don't like going to the dentist. I mean, who's a good candidate for that sedation dentistry?
Really anyone age 16 and up that has a really good medical history.
Nice. How does it work? I mean, I know you mentioned the IV and going to sleep and then waking up and being done, but what's that process like?
Well, we have a certified nurse that comes in and puts the IV and focuses on the safety of the patient. And after the patient is sedated, then we do all dental needs, anywhere from implants to wisdom teeth, crowns, fillings, even just a cleaning.
It just takes the load off of your plate, especially if you get nervous about going to the dentist. And not only do you guys do sedation dentistry and do it well, you all also have mini dental implants. What are these?
Well, mini dental implants are just absolutely wonderful. They're helping so many more people because it's a smaller implant. It's less expensive, there's less healing time, it's less invasive, so it's helping a lot of people. The most common thing we do is a lot of people that have dentures, they really struggle with those, especially a lower denture, because there's nothing to hold on to. So we can put some mini dental implants in, let those heal, and then we can put some snaps up inside their denture, and then that'll just snap right into place. No more denture glue, and then they can bite a lot
You make
easier.
It just sound so easy. It is, right?
It's about that easy, yeah.
Like, I heard that denture going in and snapping, does it hurt putting them in?
No, absolutely not. It just snaps together almost like a windbreaker snaps together. Yeah, so it really helps. A lot of people with their upper denture, they struggle because they have a gag reflex. They don't taste their food as well. So we can place those implants there. We can remove the palate off of their denture, and then we can take that one and snap that one into place also. And now no more denture glue, and they can bite.
It's as easy as 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
I mean, who's a good candidate for these mini dental implants?
There's people that have really loose dentures, who have existing dentures, or they need to get all their teeth pulled. Anyone who needs a denture is a good candidate because it's really hard. When you have dentures, you only have about 20% of your chewing function. So when you get implants, you go up to like 60 to 70%.
Oh my gosh, you guys are giving people their lives back with these.
We also do a different kind of one also that has traditional implants in here, and then we can screw the bridge into the implants, and so this doesn't even come in and out. So this is like having your own teeth again.
Oh my gosh, I love that. And when would be a good instance of using these mini dental implants versus those traditional implants?
It could be two instances. It could be a patient that doesn't have much bone. They've had their teeth missing a long time, so they would have to undergo some expensive bone grafting procedures. There are some patients, they just don't want something they take in and out on their own. It just feels more natural to them. Then we'll go to the traditional implants and do the all-on-4 where it's screwed into place and they can't take it out.
But there are so many perks of going the mini dental implant, right?
So many.
Nice.
Absolutely.
So less time when it comes to healing. They're even a little bit less expensive as well. And it's being done by some of the best in the business. St. Louis, if you're at home and you're watching and your ears have perked up, you said, those mini dental implants might work well for me, or maybe that sedation dentistry might be a great plan for me. Troy Family Dental in Illinois is 20 minutes from any bridge, so it's a quick drive no matter where you are. St. Louis, if you're interested in learning more, you can visit them online at troyfamilydental.com. You can also pick up the phone and give them a call at 618-623-4094. It's Troy Family Dental in Illinois. You can also find them on Facebook and on Instagram. So pick up the phone, give them a call, make your appointment today, and make sure you're taking care of your teeth, because your teeth really are the portal to good health, right?
Absolutely.
Well, thank you guys so much for being here in St. Louis. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back after this quick break.